Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to all our cherished viewers. I'm Lestari, your host at Aura Permata, where we create beauty inspired by the tranquil essence of Bali. Today unfolds another chapter in our story as we introduce the Bali Botanical Gentle Makeup Dissolver. It's meticulously handcrafted for shooting and effective cleansing. In the spirit of Aura Permata, commitment to natural care, our gentle makeup dissolver is a blend of harmonious ingredients like sweet almond oil to nourish, castor seed oil for a deep cleanse, and a special mix of emulsifying wax and cetyl alcohol to ensure your skin feels as soft as petal after each use. Added to this tender concoction are the kaolin clay and the calamine powders. This one is chosen for gentle purifying powers and ability to soothe your skin. And for those who revel in a touch of aromatic indulgence, we offer the optional enhancement of the rose essential oil. And our dissolver is not just effective, it's a gentle guardian for your skin, carefully lifting away makeup without a trace, leaving your face refreshed and calm. And embrace the full spectrum of Aura Permata's creation by visiting our website here at www.aurapermata.id. There you will find not just this makeup dissolver, but the whole world of natural beauty care waiting for you. And support our passion for pure beauty by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. And for the true Aura Permata experience, ensure you hit the notification bell. And now, let's delve into the craft that goes into each jar of our makeup dissolver. Now, let's dive into it. And don't forget, sanitize, cleanliness, and safety is Aura Permata promise. Always clean your workspace, sanitize all equipment and tools you need, and always put on your personal protective equipment. Okay, everything is ready. Now, let's mix some products. And now we melt using the hot stirring plate. Okay, that's it. We move this away. And then I'm using a hand mixer like this one to give a mix. Okay, we give a little mix. And then we wait to cool down, and then we add the essential oil.
A few moments later.
128 Fahrenheit. We can add our off-tipping plus. Give a good stir. And then we will add our aromatic rose essential oil. Give a good mix. Now we will transfer into this jar. Smells so good, this room. That's it, and we let it cool and set for about 30 minutes. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for joining me on this journey, and see you next time again. Bye bye.